Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this Deason laser rangefinder. This is such a neat little rangefinder because you can use it golfing or hunting or anything you're really wanting to kind of get distances of things on, because there are a lot of different advantages to this. It comes with your user manual, a little cleaning cloth for your lens. You've got this awesome case. I'm going to show you that up close so you can look at it. You also have your charging port, because on this charging port is a 750 milliamp hour battery, and you can use it for up to 30,000 readings. You have a little carabiner and a little wrist clamp that you can use to be able to tie this all onto you. But it actually has a little magnet that makes this super handy when you are out. It does come with a little belt clip, so if you wanted to clip this onto your belt, it actually can just magnet right onto the side of your belt. This part clips onto your belt, and then this is a magnet that you can then use the rangefinder to clip on and be able to easily pull that off. So I'm going to bring you in here so we can take a look at this case, because this case is something to look at all on its own. So here's the case up close. It is a hardback case, and you've got a zipper on 3 sides of it. And then in the back, you can just loop this right through your belt from right here. But open it up, you've got this little lift right here, which is a really nice convenient thing. You undo the 3 sides, and then it just opens up, and there is your rangefinder. So this right here is really handy, because if you did just want to put it on your belt and not have to worry about the zipper every time, you can easily put that over it, and it's still secured in there. It's not going to come out. Grab it out, and then just get right to your rangefinder from here. Now on this actual rangefinder, you've got your lens that you can toggle to get it cleared up a little bit. You've got your USB port right here that you would put that into. This is your little magnetic clip. So if you did want to put it like on the side of a golf cart or anything like that, you can. Or you can use this little belt clip, and now you've got it stuck on there like that. So you can then put it on your belt, pull it off, and be able to use it from there. So that is a really neat little feature right there. And then you've got your little grips on the side here. And you've got your measurements things right here for your slope. You've got your viewing. And then on the top, you have your power button and your mode button. So when we turn it on, this little red light on the side over here indicates that you are now in tournament mode. So that means that you are no longer going to have the ability to use that slope mode, because in a lot of tournaments you can't use that. So you can turn that off, and now it's in a training mode. So you have all of the different mode functions on here. Now you do have 6 different modes on here. There is a slope compensation, flag lock, horizontal and height measurement, speed measurement, and continuous scanning. So whenever you're using this, it does have a 15-second auto off. So that way you can conserve on the battery, but you just hold down on the button and then you press your mode button, and then you can look through here and you will be able to press the mode button and see all the different numbers and everything that show up around here. And then also lock in a flag, and it'll make a vibration detection whenever it catches that flag. So it's a really quick response time on this. That is really cool to be able to have all of that immediate feedback on here. And then you can see the flag from up to 300 yards. You can move it around as you're scanning around to be able to see that flag. And it'll then pick it up to 300 yards, see your flag, vibrate, let you know it's caught it. And you can then put in all your detection, see everything you need to do. This is a great little device, said to take hunting or take out golfing. Put it on for a belt clip, and you are ready to go.